For decades, the South Bay was known primarily as a dependable port-adjacent logistics hub. Today, an influx of aerospace and defense manufacturing is driving a massive wave of industrial growth. This chart shows the latest industrial data from Kidder Matthews for the Los Angeles region. You can see a very tight 5.8% direct vacancy rate, paired against average asking rents holding strong at $1.43 per square foot. At the macro level, institutional capital is aggressively shifting. In the last 24 hours, Brookfield sold the Victoria Gardens Retail Center for $530 million, and Savills finalized its $1.2 billion acquisition of the real estate investment bank Eastdil Secured. Billions of dollars are actively moving into the region. The South Bay has matured from a secondary logistics market into a primary target for global investors. Over the last few years, developers built millions of square feet of industrial space optimized for one thing: standard distribution. They prioritized high dock door counts and massive container yards to move boxes efficiently. But the companies currently looking for space aren't moving boxes. They are building satellites, autonomous systems, and drones. These hard tech manufacturers require specialized, heavy-duty floor plans. A traditional warehouse lacks the infrastructure they need. Hard tech tenants demand massive power capacity upgrades, reinforced concrete floors to support heavy machinery, and integrated Class A office space to house their engineering teams. Curious, analytical tone. This creates a structural mismatch in the market. Los Angeles is flooded with standard warehouse inventory, yet there is a severe shortage of physical space that actually meets the technical needs of its highest-paying, fastest-growing tenant base. The catalyst for this localized manufacturing boom traces back to Hawthorne. The SpaceX Alumni Network has triggered rapid growth across the defense and space technology sectors. This network map shows former SpaceX employees branching out to found 96 companies, raising over $19 billion. That capital is landing directly in the South Bay. In El Segundo, barely 5.5 square miles, industrial vacancy is under 2. To attract and retain a highly specialized pool of Gen Z and millennial engineers, these founders are searching for properties situated in vibrant, mixed-use neighborhoods, areas that integrate residential, retail, and workspace into a single lifestyle office market. Recent data from the real estate firm JLL quantifies the value of these live-work-play environments. Properties located in these districts are currently commanding a 32% rent premium over standard office spaces. This puts developers in a challenging position. They hold older, functionally obsolete properties that are perfect for adaptive reuse, but they have to clearly communicate the final, renovated vision to sophisticated tech founders and major institutional buyers like Morgan Stanley. Traditional commercial real estate, or CRE, marketing relies on standard PDF brochures and basic photography. Those tools are entirely inadequate for selling a multi-million-dollar transformation to a highly visual, tech-native audience. Brokers and developers are facing a new operational reality. When you are competing for tenants in a high-stakes, hard-tech market, your real estate marketing collateral has to match their level of sophistication. This is where Voxel Micro Video Labs, based locally in San Pedro, provides an edge, specializing in cinematic storytelling and high-fidelity commercial visual tours. For the industrial sector, Voxel's capabilities allow a landlord to visually prove exactly how a vacant, outdated warehouse will function as a cutting-edge satellite lab, long before any concrete is poured. For retail and mixed-use spaces, premium video captures the actual kinetic energy and foot traffic. It provides the visual proof necessary to justify that 32% lifestyle rent premium to prospective high-end tenants. The South Bay real estate market is moving faster and demanding more technical specificity than ever before in its history. Landlords and brokers who rely on outdated visual representation run a significant risk. A multi-million-dollar asset can easily be ignored by elite engineering firms if the marketing fails to clearly communicate its potential. To secure the most lucrative leases and highest sale prices, the marketing narrative needs to be flawless. By partnering with Voxel Micro Video Labs in San Pedro, property owners can entirely upgrade their visual storytelling and ensure their assets command the attention of the world's most sophisticated tenants.